to create a website? If yes, then this video is for you. In this video, I am going to tell you some points you should keep in mind and understand before creating a website. Today, everyone needs a website, whether you are an entrepreneur, a blogger, or a small business owner. But starting a website is not that easy. Before starting a website, you need to list some to-do items, planning a website before build it yourself, or you can also hire a professional to do it for you. Today, I am going to tell you some easy steps that you can start creating a website. The first thing is identifying your website goals. Before you start building a website, you need to know why you are building it. What is the primary objective of your website? What you are going to accomplish with your website. When you create a website, there are many objectives related to a website. It can be a website can make you look professional. A website can attract new customers through Google. You can showcase your products and services. A website can encourage customers to contact you, and more things you can do with a website. You can increase engagement with your customer, and you can also achieve your business goals. You should start thinking about the broad purpose of with your business. You can also attract traffic and grow an audience. You can advertise your business, you can entertain your readers, etc. This is you can identify who your target audiences are. Once you understand what are the goals of your website and who are your target audience, it's easy to understand and can start developing marketing strategies for reaching the audience and encouraging them to hit it. Now the next thing is unique selling proposition. What is unique selling proposition? A unique selling proposition or USP is something special that makes your brand, product or service different from others and better than your competitors. It explains the selling points that get prospectors to act and take a step closer towards becoming your customer. From this chart, you can understand what your customers want, what you can do well, and what your competitors can do well. From all these things, you have to find something better that what you can do extra from your competitors. Now, how you can develop something unique from your competitors. Now you have to understand what different you have, what your customers do not have. Why does the different matters to your customers is you can attract customers by your uniqueness. What specific benefit do customers get by choosing over you over the competition? It can be over price or services. And how does the benefit matter to customers? It can again be price, services, or other things. Now, after you have understand about goals of your website, who are your target audience, and what are your unique selling proposition. Now, the next thing is to work on your website. Before start working on your website, the first thing is to take secure a domain and taking a hosting. Now, what are domain and hostings? Domain is like a name of your website. Domain is also a heart of your website, or you can also call the address of your website. Domain name, you can choose any domain name which you think is suitable for your website. There are many websites available from where you can purchase your domain names according to different domain names as per your choice. Domain names are divided in different parts such as protocol, subdomain, main domain names, and these are some of the examples of domain names. Once you have selected a proper domain name from for your website, now the next thing is choosing a hosting platform. Hosting is just like a home for your website where you will prepare your website and keep all your data on that home. So choosing a right platform is important for your domain name. Once you choose a proper web hosting, it's important that how you are going to build your website. There are different ways of building a website. Its first one is coding. If you are good in coding, you can start building your website through coding. There are different coding languages are available, such as Python, Java, C++. The main thing is you should have good knowledge of coding languages. Uh, then only you can prepare a good website with the help of coding. If you are not good in coding languages, you can use content management system. Among all the content management system, WordPress is highly used. Content management system are very easy to use. Or other options, if you are not if you cannot use all the both the options, the next thing is also DIY website builders. They are drag and drop tools which you can use to build your websites. Or the last and final option is hiring a professional web developer. You can also hire a professional web developer who will create a website for you. The next thing is once you have chosen a domain name and hosting platform, the next thing is choosing the designing elements. Designing elements include layout. Layout includes colors, color combinations, font and typography you're going to use in your website, logo for your website, images, photos, videos, and other medias. If you're not sure what type of designing elements you should use on your website, then you can visit similar websites of your niche, or you can also search your competitors website. You can get some idea what type of website what type of designing elements they are using on their website, and afterwards you can choose what type of color combinations and designing elements you should use on your website. All these designing elements play important role on a website. You can also choose a theme or template for your template directly. Now next things are creating content for your core website. These pages are like home page, about us page, product or service page, contact page, review page. These are the basic pages of every website. That is, every website must have these basic pages. If you are building a e-commerce or business website, then you can add more pages, but these pages are important. Home page is the main page of your website. Whenever someone open your website, home page is the main page. About us page shows what your website is about. It tells about you and your website. Products and service page shows about your products and service details. Contact page gives details about your contact. If any customer want to contact you, they can contact you directly, send you emails or messages on your email ID. And review page, or you can also call it testimonial page. If any user have any review or testimonial, you can directly show it to your audience. It creates a good impression on other audience. Now it's a basic layout of a page or a website. These are the basic home page, about page, service page, and you can see on the left side it's a space for logo. This is the basic page you can create. Information from was is from my site. Thank you.